Yo, I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I didn't get a chance to record the the trades and everything, but I'm just gonna show you guys what happened. So guys, if I've purchased a 5k funded account, and what happened again is that I funded again the 50 rand to I funded 50 rand to just to recover from the 200 that we lost when we were doing the 200 rands to the 1k challenge. So what I did, I managed to at least bring back 150, but I will fund again 50 rand again next month, and then we do the same thing. We trade it, we push it, and then we try to recover the money again, and then we will do the challenge again of the 200 rands to the 200 rands to 1000, 200 rands to 1000 rands challenge. Do it again, guys. Let me start by this week analysis. I traded Euro USD, so I'm gonna show you guys the analysis of how I did it and then how the trade went. I'll also show the screenshot, and then I'm gonna explain some mental evaluations that I've came across when trading Euro USD pair that I've entered. Dango! Right now I'm going to show you guys how I got in a loss. Mistakes that I did when I was trading gold, because right now you have lost. Let me try to connect the network here. Also, it's doing its wonders. Guys, I didn't have the chance to record on my PC. I didn't have the chance to record on my PC. So I'm gonna show you the trade that I took that made me a big loss, right? The trade that I took it yesterday, and I took it on this level here. You see this level? Let me throw you guys a box where this is where my account got in ICU. This thing reversed on my end, just reversed and went back, and then went up again. And then yeah, man, they came here and they hit my stop loss. But I think if I was up, I was gonna be able to. But otherwise, guys, I was yeah, guys, these are the things that I was doing. So the thing that I didn't show you, the analysis is the USD. I did show you guys on my video. I'm gonna show you guys again. We entered somewhere around here, and then we took profit around here, and then we didn't trade. Then what we traded again, we traded gold, we traded the XAUSD, and then we entered sales, and then I was here. Yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to show you on this account. This account is still going forward, and we are still going to trade. I'm telling you guys, we are gonna pass this one, whether they like it or not. Whether the demons like it or not, we're gonna pass this one. Yeah, man. And that's how it, man. Yeah, guys, that's how my week has been. You see, that's how my week has been. So, guys, it doesn't matter. We'll come back the other week stronger. I have a very important message that I wanna spread with you guys. There is one thing that I've realized when I was trading. You see, guys. So what I realized, guys, a rule that I've realized is that you don't have to trade everything. And one thing that I've really learned is that trading because of you are bored, or you feel like you are trading without following your rules. I think that's what I did there, because one of my rules was like, I am not supposed to execute a trade late, and I'm not supposed to do that. You see, like during like late times, because the market tends to consolidate. Then I broke that rule. And another thing that I realized is that every trade or every setup needs to have its own risk parameter. You cannot use the same risk on different trades, because one thing I realized, some setups or trades, they pay more better than the other setups. And another thing I realized, you need to let your TP hit, because one thing I realized, one of my biggest mistakes that I used to do is that when trades go into losses, it will hit my stop loss, but when going to profit, I will be greedy and close faster or be heavy. Right now I've learned to know, man. Right now I'm just gonna do the set and forget, and then I leave it there. And I only trade the E plus trades or nothing else. Yeah, man. Otherwise, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys will like it, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I really need this for the YouTube algorithm. Please, guys. Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, as I continue with the vlogs, right now it's time for me to cycle, because this is one of my daily routine. You see, I always exercise before early in the morning and late. This is my bicycle, guys. Guys, I just want to bring you with me. I am going to do some shopping, guys. Yeah guys, wish me luck, wish me luck. As you can see, it's very dark right now, like a bit dark, but yeah guys, boy gotta exercise. Risk that we take for you guys. As you can see, there are too many vehicles here. See guys, you must be out good now. As you can see guys, I'm busy crossing here. You see too many vehicles. You see guys, the risk that I take for you guys so that you can see good content, I'm telling you. Yeah guys, I'm pretty disappointed right now because of ShopRite. They decided to close right now. As you can see guys, they closed and I arrived on time guys. I swear, but guys, the road, there is still like hope. I think I should go to Spa. Just that it's a bit far, kilometers away. But nah guys, bad guys. I'm gonna buy that whether they like it or not guys. I'm gonna get that. Otherwise guys, let's try and go to Spa. If Spa closes, then guys, I'm done. I'm done for the day. We're just gonna call it a night. Yeah guys, as you can see, I'm heading to Spa right now. As you can see, too many vehicles on the road. I will update you when I get there. Guys, all that work for nothing. Like all that work for nothing guys. Like I can't believe even Spa closed earlier. I thought these people maybe they closed around the trading hours, because the time now it was saying past. Oh man, I'm so disappointed. But yeah guys, otherwise it is what it is, and I'm very far away from home, so I guess I just have to go home. I will buy the milk later and let's continue with the vlog guys. Let's continue with the vlog. So yeah guys, if you like this type of content, please like, share and follow me for more guys. Please, the algorithm is very important. Like, share, follow for more.